Hi everyone, it's Jean from Gallagher Domanski. Today I thought I would talk to you about one more way that you can show that you're well positioned for the EB2 NIW. And that is through conferences and I guess in today's world, virtual conferences, i.e. webinars. So I have 3 tips for you in this video.
So, first of all, you need to make it clear in your petition that you presented at a conference that is in your field of endeavor. So, you can go on the conference's website and print out some information on the About page, um, or anything else where you can find where they've explained who the attendees are at the conference. So here I have highlighted where it says who attends, and it shows the type of people who go to this conference. Next, number 2 is print out the list of speakers and highlight your name. So here, for example, this is an old sample that I have from 2009, but where I have highlighted where it says speakers, below that was names of people who were presenting. So you can find that whether it's on the conference agenda or the list of speakers and highlight your name and attach it with your petition. And thirdly, if you presented virtually, such as at a webinar, you can usually find where it's been advertised to watch the replay, whether you get that in a email or if it's online. You can usually find some information about who were the attendees and or what type of profession the attendees were in, and you can usually find your name as a presenter. So you can do that when it's a webinar.